Thumbs up means drivers behind the line. We begin in 3, 2, 1, go!
Autonomous kicks off. It looks like we have 2 out of 3 of those Red Alliance robots trying to score their preload game piece. Stipulse hits their first. They come around for a cube, and they're going to make their way on up to that charge station. Let's see if Stipulse can nail the balance. It looks like Huskies will. 12 points all around, red and blue, as drivers step forward, take control of their robots here in qualification. Match number 68 of the 85 we will be playing today. That battery icon up on the screen indicating that these alliances scored 12 points during the autonomous period for having that charge station balanced. We call that engaged on the field with those lights lit up underneath. Checking out the action right away on blue, Stipulse working on the first link for the Blue Alliance with that cone. 5 points and the link up on the board for you now. Looking over on the red side of the field, co-op grid getting full. They have got all 3 of those game pieces they need in that co-op grid. They're just going to need to wait for the Blue Alliance to do the same, try to help each other out and get that threshold lowered from 5 links to 4 links for that ranking point. Stipulse goes up for their additional cone here. All they need is a cube on one of those top nodes for another link for the Blue Alliance. Flaming Monkeys on the Blue Alliance, they have got their arm extended out while they are in that middle zone. They need to make sure they are being careful. It's more efficient for scoring and collecting game pieces, but robots need to be super careful about where their manipulator is headed if they are midfield, where there might be some robot-robot interaction. That gamble pays off, though, for Flaming Monkeys in blue bumpers. They're able to keep that arm on out, waste no time as they grab a cone from a human player behind the Alliance station wall. Husky Robotics 3061, they drop off a cone. That cone perched between the ground and one of those barriers between the grids for the Red Alliance. 45 seconds remaining. Blue Alliance leads it 70-37. Husky Robotics, they have that cone once again. Their alliance partner Unibots is midfield. Unibots trying to slow down Stipulse. Stipulse breaks free while their alliance partner Saber Robotics is lined up and waiting for that charge station and for their partners in the community on the Blue Alliance side of the field. Under 30 seconds to go in the match. It does look like now the co-op grid is lit on both sides of the field. That threshold lowered to 4. Both alliances with 2 links with 13 seconds remaining. Huskies and Unibots, or rather Huskies and Murphy's Outlaws up on the charging station. Unibots right alongside them with the park. Stipulse and their partners Monkeys, they're going to balance and park. Identical end game scores on both sides of the final results. Coming up now, the winner is the Blue Alliance. 97-73 in that match. 3 ranking points go home with blue, 1 goes home with red. Both of them pick up a bonus on the charge station.